34 weeks at this point, living in Hawaii. How you feel?
Wonderful today.
Yeah.
And
Big old
the
belly.
sun. Rory's soaking up some rays.
So,
Chilling on the holiday weekend.
this holiday weekend probably won't be when this gets uploaded. Enjoy the views. You know you're not moving.
What?
You're not even moving.
I know, I don't know why.
Jesus.
I'm weak though.
How do you feel about my stash? My sweet
Creeper.
beard. Creeper?
Creeper mustache.
Needs to go.
Needs to go.
Yeah.
And you need a haircut.
Well.
Silhan crispy.
Yeah, why don't you tell him what happened last time?
I took a chunk off of his hair behind his ear.
Oh, almost,
big deal.
Almost took a chunk of my ear.
No.
Well, I guess when everything else is closed, you kind of take what you can get.
You get some of that.
Right out here in the middle.
Seaweed turd! Ew! Where's the doo-doo?
So in the background, you can see Diamond Head a little bit. Give him your best. Show him. Audition right now for Wheel of Fortune. off that belly. I guess nobody really would know how big you normally are.
Normally? You can do a compare picture if you want to take a picture of me pre-baby. I was actually looking at one from July.
Let me take a picture of you pre-baby.
Pre-baby?
Yeah, you said if you could take a picture of you pre-baby.
You can compare based off of pictures that I have pre-baby.
You said I could take one. Let me take one pre-baby right now.
What color are my nails? My nails are lavender, which is purple. His raft, I don't know what kind of shade, but I also say it's purple, and he says it's blue, so.
Purple.
Purple or blue?
All the way around. That's... Are you okay? So, if you're wondering where Ernie is, unfortunately this is one of those beaches that's not really dog friendly, so even though he likes to swim, he can't come hang out this one. So. Aloha guys, thanks for watching the video. Be sure to like and subscribe to stay up to date with our latest content. Follow us on our other social media platforms for some exclusive sneak peeks at upcoming video, some throwbacks, some stuff that didn't quite make the cut, and more Ernie. Be sure to leave us a comment and let us know what you want to see on the channel, and let us know if you think that the raft is purple or if it's blue. Well, she did get one thing right. I do need to shave. It's pretty bad. Mahalo again for watching the video, and look forward to hearing from you guys. Thanks.